Hold on. There we go. What is up, guys? Welcome to today's video. 9:15 at night right now, and I gotta share with you guys and put this thing together because all the pieces just came in from Amazon. Turning your shop vac into an extractor that works really, really good. Stay tuned. For your guys' sake, I'm gonna run through this really fast and explain all the products, everything, and put it together right in front of you guys. The rigid, small, portable, 5 horsepower peak vacuum. Love this thing, use it for all my details. And we got the orange hose, the heavy duty one for detailing. Both of those things I got from Home Depot. Everything else you're gonna see here is from Amazon. Here's the extractor. Just a quick connect extractor. Heavy duty extractor. End of it is clear so you guys can see the dirty water you're sucking up. It's a 3/8 air hose, 50 feet long. This is your water passage right here. Also from Amazon, a quick connect piece. When we begin to put it together, it's gonna look something like this. And then lastly, we ordered the hose quick connect, or this right here is the direct piece for any hose. So this side right here is gonna go onto your air hose, and this side is gonna go onto the water connection. And the very last piece you're gonna need is this filter right here. So this is a water rated filter. Do not use the one that it comes with. You're gonna be using this black one, and make sure you guys get the right one. Everything's gonna be linked, the correct things for this setup, down below. All right, we just got it all together. Guys, check this out. This thing is so snug. You got the quick connect down here. Pops in right there. I even got these little Velcro straps to keep it nice and neat while you're working. So real quick, check out the hose. I had to just chop off this end right here. Then you can add the hose piece on there. Put 2 clamps on there. Trying to pull it out, you can pull it out, but once when you get past this lip right here, and then shove it all the way in there, it's pretty good and is gonna work as a suction, very good. It's as simple as that, guys. I'm really excited to test it out. Tomorrow I got a big Yukon detail, interior detail, a lot of kids in the car, and I'm expecting it to be pretty dirty. So this thing is gonna come in handy. Hopefully make the process a lot cleaner and faster than my little Bissell one I've been using. In the next clip, guys, I'll show you guys how it sets up and how it works with the Yukon detail. Red?
Recording.
All right. Yeah, let's get this. Yeah. Focus on it?
Not really. Now it is.
Yep.
Yeah.
All right, this is today's detail, guys. Super clean with Yukon. We actually just got done cleaning it. We're still working on the carpets, but that's the extraction right there. That's what we're focusing on today. Here's the setup. So, no leaks, as you guys can see. This is what the fan looks like. Very wide fan right there. Air hose connects directly to a hose, so 50 feet and then additional 20 feet of hose works perfectly. It's kind of unorganized right now, but yep, that's the setup. Works really good. Make sure you guys have that filter in there. Everything's gonna be linked down below. Very nice.
I'm
very
your
nice.
apprentice.
You are. You did good.